No.
The side foot push forward on the left side, push it on the other side. Me and my wife have been married for 10 years. I've gone off one hand and many times. She admitted that I was right about something. 2 years in the hand. They still can't fill up that hand. It almost puts me in shock.
We were watching NCIS New Orleans the other night, and I'm really good at being able to tell you what's going to happen on a TV show. I pay real close attention. And old Scott Bakula opened this door on the oil rig. And I said to my wife, I said, answer a question for me. She said, what? And I said, how did Scott Bakula open that door when the guys that were trying to kill him had just been trying to torch that door with a, with a blowtorch? I said, he just reached out and grabbed the handle and opened the door.
Yeah.
I said, no, he would have been going, ah!
I get stuff like that all the time.
And she's like, he didn't open the door, they opened the door. I said, run it back. So we ran it back. And she was like, oh, now I see. I was like, oh.
I'll catch stuff like that and I'll tell Sarah, she's like, it's just a TV show, Brandon. I'm like, well, I just,
So this is where we start, huh?
Let you guys lead the way.
You're gonna
I'll bring up the caboose.
You're gonna bring up the
pick up the pieces, huh?
the rear.
This is either the Mount Mitchell Trail or Green Knob. I guess we'll find out.
Oh,
No.
thanks.
No.
That wouldn't be good. Yeah, I wouldn't have known where this was.
Somewhere out in the woods. Near Randerson Creek. I want to go Bigfoot hunting.
Say what?
I want to go Bigfoot hunting.
Oh yeah.
Go out late at night if you can find them.
I'm up for that. Can I come armed
Yeah.
in case we find him?
We got to protect our tree knocking and our calling to Sasquatch. Listening for him to answer.
Sasquatch, are you here?
What they do.
I know. I couldn't tell you the last hike I made, probably a month and a half ago.
Yeah.
And that was just to Tom's Creek. No, it's to Catawba.
Yeah, there's not a lot of climbing on that.
No,
It's all just pretty good.
and Tom's Creek is really easy.
Yeah. There's another waterfall we go to after this if you want. It's a level one, it's just good walk through it. And it's, I want to say a mile, maybe. That girl's just moving right along.
Oh yeah, he's in good shape. I'm just sorry I slowed you down. Yeah.
Now, of course, I've got like 20 layers on. I'm climbing up the side of a mountain. Jim?
Huh? Am I all right?
I think you hear that.
No, I didn't hear it.
Listen.
Oh, the wind? Oh, yeah. Ah, all right. Yeah, I'm gonna take a minute before I do that. Yeah, I'll take a minute before I climb those stairs.
It's cool with clouds.
Yep. Oh, pretty. So what are we looking at?
Well, there's tabletop at Hawksbill over there.
Grandfather, right there,
Right where?
to the left
But
of
the
Hawksbill.
other one was snow on it.
Yep,
Okay, the one with snow on it is what?
grandfather.
That's grandfather right there?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Then that fall, that's some of the, I guess that's around Roan Knob and Carver's Gap and towards Tennessee where the southern ball section is on the Appalachian Trail.
Where's Table Rock?
Table Rock's straight in front of you. though.
Okay, that one that's,
Up,
yeah, okay.
And then Hawksbill's to the left of it.
Okay.
And that's Linville Gorge all through.
Oh, in between there.
Lake James.
Yeah, I can see it.
And then on a real clear day, if you look behind Lake James, you can see Charlotte, but you can see it today. Not clear. Pretty clear.
Cool.
There's Oak Fort and Marion, and back in here in Curtis Creek, Mackey Mountain, right here. And Craggy over this way. And of course the Black Mountains, Mount Mitchell, behind us over here. That's Mount Pisgah. See the tower? WLOS, Mount Pisgah.
Not
Walk
yet. I will in a minute. Maybe not. What's in on top of
The
it?
little needle.
Oh, I see it. On this flat kind of
Uh-huh.
mountain right there, and it's to the left on it, the
Yep.
peak there? Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah, that's Mount Pisgah.
And that's where WLOS's towers.
Mm-hmm. And then I think over there for the other towers, that's Frying Pan Mountain.
Okay.
And you can, it's a big tower. It's bigger than this one. It's probably twice the size of this one we hike up to. I was telling Gerald last time I come up here, it's been years since I've been up here. This was open and there was trash and stuff in here. And it's like, it's good to see that's cleaned up. Now it looks like they painted it since the last time I've been up here too.
Is that road right there a road to Mount Mitchell? No. I just saw a car go down. That's the parkway, isn't it?
Parkway.
Okay, that's where we're parked.
Then
Okay.
here's the road to Mount Mitchell, see?
Yeah.
It goes past the radio tower.
Yeah, I see it.
Up to Mount Mitchell.
Yeah.
That's Gibbs, Mount Gibbs. NC State, I think, owns that. They do some research there. I've climbed to the top of that tower before. You can't get to it now. It's all gated off. It's obeying now.
It's a bang. Pretty. Nice look. All this formed by glaciers.
Tectonic plates coming together to form the mountains. So.
Oh, this mountain.
Are they really?
Yep, they used to be higher than the Himalayas.
Yep.
The Himalayas are still growing.
Yep.
These are shrinking.
I did not know that.
Still growing. Yeah.
I did not know that. That's cool.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah. At one
Weird
time,
explorer.
these were the highest mountains in the world. But they moved away now.
Dropping comparison, huh? Tell you what, on that side, the wind will just take your breath away.
You got future flags right here.
Where they, well, terminate, start or end, whichever way you want to look at it.
Hot plans through the entire Appalachian Trail.
I just saw on the on Facebook or whatever the other day that two 90-year-old twins walked the thing. Or 80-year-old twins.
That's awesome.
Twin women.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah. Had walked the whole thing.
A friend of mine growing up, his dad walked the entire thing 7 times. I think they'd go just about every summer and he'd hike it.
The first year they said they couldn't keep up with you. Second year with your body was giving you a hard time keeping up with it.
Look at that cascade, man, that's picturesque. All that moss growing up there. That's pretty. That might be worth a photograph later. It's pretty. Hey, Gerald. We're trying to find this forest fire that's over here. How about that? That's really strange because that wasn't there when we came down a little while ago. What, an hour ago? That thing really sprung up. I wonder if they set it.